In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best Ethernet cables available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the Ethernet cables list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the Ethernet cables mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Hifi Cat8 Ethernet Cable. The Hifi Cat8 Ethernet cable is a pinnacle of sophistication, merging OCC silver for impeccable conductivity with cutting-edge technology for 10 GB transmission. Crafted in accordance with ANSI/TIA 568 C.2-1 PC row standards, it guarantees a seamless internet experience, making it a preferred choice for those seeking premium connectivity. Number 4, ZOGUO USB-C to Ethernet Cable. ZOGUO's USB-C to Ethernet cable is a technological marvel, facilitating a direct, lightning-fast 1000 megabits per second gigabit LAN network connection. With Thunderbolt 3 compatibility, it's a versatile solution for devices, ensuring rapid and stable internet connectivity, making it a must-have for modern tech enthusiasts. This Ethernet cable's link in description. You can check more information and buy here. Number 3, AMPCOM Network RJ45 Ethernet Cable. AMPCOM's Network RJ45 Ethernet cable is a customizable solution, allowing for pre-terminated patch cords of varying lengths. With support for 10 Gbps Cat8, Cat7, and Cat6a, it adapts to diverse networking needs, providing a reliable and high-speed data transmission solution for computer networks. Number 2, UGREEN Cat8 Ethernet Game Cable. UGREEN's Cat8 Ethernet Game Cable goes beyond expectations with its extraordinary 40 gigabits per second, 2000 MHz Cat8 networking capacity. Encased in a cotton-braided design, it not only ensures longevity but also delivers unparalleled internet speeds, making it an indispensable companion for PC enthusiasts, gamers, and high-performance setups. Number 1, ZoeRax Cat8 Ethernet Patch Cable. ZoeRax's Cat8 Ethernet Patch Cable is a masterpiece of engineering, featuring S/FTP22 double-shielded solid construction. Boasting an impressive 2000 MHz, 2 GHz, bandwidth and 40 gigabits per second speed, it represents the 5th generation of Ethernet LAN networks. This cable sets a new standard for stability and high-performance connectivity, catering to the demands of modern digital applications with grace and efficiency.